Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all my recipe for this delicious tree bean salad. And today's episode is being sponsored by Allston's Marketing Company Limited with brands like Naturally Almond, Caribbean Dream, Lucima, Bragg, and Squeezy. So join me, let me show you how easy this one is to put together, and it's a great make-ahead meal. For this recipe, you're going to need Bragg Apple Cider Vinegar and Bragg Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Start in a big bowl and add in all of your beans. I'm using cannellini, small red beans, chickpea or chana. This recipe is so easy, everything just goes into your bowl, all of your main ingredients. So in went tomatoes, celery chopped, pimento peppers, in goes chopped cucumbers and diced onions. Just give that a quick mix and set it aside. Now let's make the dressing. So as I said, I'm doing a light dressing. If you guys wanted to double the dressing recipe or triple it, you can. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of Bragg Apple Cider Vinegar and 1 tablespoon of Bragg Olive Oil. I love their olive oil, it's so rich and fruity. Now to that goes in some black pepper, and my secret ingredient is this Caribbean citrus blend. It's the perfect seasoning for this recipe. So I'm going to add that in, and I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt. Although the seasoning does have salt, if you have a low sodium diet, omit the salt from this recipe. Give that a mix, and once the salt is dissolved, we'll go ahead and sprinkle it onto our bean mixture and then give this a good toss. Once tossed, you can taste and adjust, and then you can serve it right away or you can refrigerate. It's a great make-ahead meal and it's absolutely delicious. Be sure to pick up Bragg Apple Cider Vinegar and Bragg Extra Virgin Olive Oil to try this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Tag us on Instagram if you make it, and thank you all so much for joining me for this video.